In the previous video, we explored something important: why scrolling feels so powerful, and why focusing on studying or reading suddenly feels harder. We saw how social media constantly stimulates the brain's reward system, training the brain to expect fast dopamine rewards. But remember this: understanding the problem is the first step toward fixing it. Your brain was not designed for endless stimulation, but it is designed to adapt. The more often a behavior is repeated, the stronger the brain circuits for that behavior become. This is why constant scrolling can slowly weaken attention and strengthen the habit of seeking instant stimulation. Scientists call this ability neuroplasticity. It means the brain can reorganize itself. Every repeated action strengthens certain neural pathways. The brain becomes better at what it practices. So if the brain practices constant stimulation, it becomes better at seeking stimulation. But here is the important part. Remember this: the same neuroplasticity that created the habit can also break it. If repeated scrolling rewired the brain one way, repeated focus can rewire it back. Your brain is not broken. It's simply adapted to what you practiced. So how do we retrain the brain? The first step is surprisingly simple. We must reduce the constant dopamine flooding. Remember this: focus cannot grow in a storm of constant stimulation. So the recovery process begins by changing one thing: your digital environment. The first step in retraining your brain is simple: reduce unnecessary stimulation. When your phone sits next to you, your brain keeps expecting rewards, even if you don't touch it. So start by moving the phone away from your workspace. Remember this: distance reduces temptation. The next step is controlling notifications. Every notification is designed to capture your attention. A sound, a vibration, a small red icon. Each one triggers curiosity in the brain. So turn off notifications that are not truly necessary. Remember this: silence reduces mental interruptions. Another useful strategy is controlling app visibility. When social media apps sit on your home screen, your brain sees them constantly, and each glance creates temptation. So move them away, hide them, or remove them from your main screen. Make distractions harder to reach. Some people take this one step further. They keep the phone in another room during deep work. This may sound simple, but it changes the brain environment dramatically. Remember this: attention grows best when distractions are physically absent. Once distractions are reduced, the next step begins: rebuilding your attention span. Remember this: focus works like a muscle. It grows with practice, and the best way to start is with small sessions of deep focus. Start small: 10 minutes of uninterrupted focus. No phone, no scrolling, just one task. Remember this: your brain may feel restless at first. That is normal. You are retraining neural pathways. As your brain adapts, increase the duration. 10 minutes becomes 20. 20 becomes 30. Remember this: focus improves through gradual repetition. Just like physical training strengthens muscles, mental training strengthens attention. The next step is replacing instant rewards. Scrolling gives fast dopamine, but healthy rewards come after effort. Exercise, learning, completing meaningful work. Remember this: the most powerful satisfaction in life comes from delayed rewards. Your environment also trains your brain. If distractions are everywhere, your attention will constantly drift. But when your workspace supports focus, your brain adapts to that environment. Remember this: good environments make good habits easier. So here is the important message: your brain was not broken. It was trained. Repeated scrolling strengthened one pathway, but repeated focus can strengthen another. Remember this: what the brain learned, the brain can relearn. Scrolling trains the brain for instant rewards, but focus trains the brain for meaningful growth. The more you practice deep attention, the stronger your mind becomes. If this video helped you understand your brain better, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who struggles with focus.